Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you've made money without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful passive income ideas that can make you money while you sleep. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but proven strategies that work. Stay till the end, because the last one is a real game changer. Let's dive in. 1. Affiliate marketing. First on the list is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. You can do this by creating a blog, YouTube channel, or even using social media. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale make it easy to get started. Once set up, your content keeps making you money 24/7. 2. Selling digital products. Next up, digital products. Unlike physical goods, digital products don't require inventory or shipping. Think ebooks, courses, stock photos, or even printables. You create it once and sell it over and over again. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable help you monetize your knowledge with little effort after setup. 3. Dividend stocks. Now, let's talk about dividend stocks. Investing in companies that pay dividends means you get paid regularly just for owning their shares. The best part? Your money grows over time through compound interest. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Microsoft offer reliable dividend payouts. While this method requires initial investment, it can become a great source of passive income in the long run. 4. Rental income. If you have extra space, renting it out can generate consistent cash flow. Real estate rentals and even platforms like Airbnb allow you to make money from properties you own. Don't own property? No problem. Rental arbitrage, where you rent a place and sublet it, can be another smart way to generate passive income. 5. YouTube automation. Finally, one of the hottest trends, YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. You can outsource video creation and make money from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. AI tools and freelancers make this easier than ever. Once your videos gain traction, they can earn for years. Conclusion. So there you have it, 5 passive income ideas that can make you money while you sleep. Which one interests you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips. See you in the next video.